Hello Brompton riders, welcome back to my channel Brompton Buddy. We are flying from Bangalore Terminal 2 is really excellent and heading towards Pune by airlines Indigo, and the design of Terminal 2 is really wow, excellent. We have reached the Pune airport and I'm carrying my Brompton and the travel transit bag. I frequently get many questions by the Brompton riders: is travel transit bag safe? The handling of the Brompton in the flight when they do the check-in, is it cycle safe? They no scratch or damage. Till date, had traveled with the Brompton internationally and domestically, have not faced any issues. Cross fingers that should be the same with my future travels too. And I also carry my travel transit bag with me and the Brompton safe. From here, I'll go meet the Brompton owners and checking their cycles. I'm out from the airport and heading to the cycle store Pro Sports and Bikes at Deccan Gymkhana, Pune, Maharashtra, which is exactly around 15 kilometers. I'm pedaling to that point, and where the reason to visit this place is I have invited the Brompton riders at Pune and the Brompton buyers also, so that I could meet both the riders, give test drive for the Brompton for new riders and buyers, and help the service for the existing Brompton riders there. I was impressed to look so wider footpaths at Pune, which is completely empty and more space to walk over there. In Bangalore, we have footpaths with smaller stalls, which is filled. We don't have a space to walk there, and we are forced to walk on the roads. And Pune major businesses, IT and automobile hubs. The Pune is also called as Oxford of the East. I'm happy I met all my Brompton customers today, and I'm really excited to travel to one of the best journey at early morning. And my big thanks to my company ProCycle who's got me this tickets. Do not miss my next video. Thank you.